Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook mutton curry in a pressure cooker. First, marinate 1 kilogram of mutton with yogurt and your favorite spices for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for tenderizing the meat and infusing it with flavor. While it marinates, gather all your other ingredients, such as 2 large onions, 2 tomatoes, and a tablespoon of ginger-garlic paste. Don't forget to prepare your spice blend, including turmeric, chili powder, and garam masala. Now let's build the flavor base. Heat about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in your pressure cooker over medium heat. Once hot, add whole spices like 1 bay leaf, 2 green cardamoms, and a small stick of cinnamon. Sauté them for about 30 seconds until they become fragrant. Next, add 2 large sliced onions and cook them patiently until they turn a beautiful golden brown. This browning is key to a rich, deep-flavored curry. It's time to add the star ingredient. Place the marinated mutton into the cooker and sear it for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until it changes color. Then, add 2 chopped tomatoes and cook until they soften and the oil begins to separate from the masala. Finally, pour in 1 cup of water, close the lid, and pressure cook for 6 to 8 whistles on medium heat. This ensures the mutton becomes incredibly tender. Once the cooking is complete, allow the pressure to release naturally from the cooker. Do not force it open. Carefully remove the lid, and you'll be greeted with a wonderfully aromatic and tender mutton curry. Give it a gentle stir, then garnish generously with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of fresh lime juice for a bright finish. Serve this delicious, hearty mutton curry hot with steamed rice, warm naan bread, or your favorite flatbread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.